In this quick video, I want to reveal 7 powerful tips, 100% for free, in a secret affiliate marketing report. There's a link in the description. It'll land you on the page that you see here on the screen. You will be able to download this 7 powerful commission generating affiliate marketing tips report. And I want to cover affiliate tip number 3, unique bonuses and a custom page work, but only. Remember, every list is different and you should have an idea of what your list is most interested in. It could be software and automation, it could be email marketing, it could be PLR and resale rights products. For example, you here on this channel, primarily you land on my videos here at 30 Minute Marketing because you're interested in marketing and specifically affiliate marketing. And one of the ways that I do bonuses, and one of the bonuses I could give you for this product, if this product wasn't free, link in the description, I could dive into how I deliver bonuses. For example, I use Product Dino to deliver bonuses. I could go into in-depth how inside of Product Dino, you simply just create a product. And when you create a product, you have the ability to integrate this product with an email autoresponder, and that puts everyone that I give this bonus to on an email list that I can follow up with. Also, I could go through the content designer inside of Product Dino where I could walk through exactly how to set up the product that you see right here and how to deliver this product and talk in more depth about how to design this product and lay it out so it makes the most sense as a bonus for a specific product. So back to the report, the best results come from a custom bonus when you create a custom bonus report or a training video. This report that you're looking at right now is an example of that. Of course, this report is being given away for free, so you understand how bonuses work. But there's 7 important tips here. And again, it falls on delivering what people want to know, what people in your audience want to know and understand. Back to the idea of delivering bonuses, I could show you inside of my Groove account. I could show you inside of my Groove Pages account, my Groove Funnels account, and I could show you my bonus pages. I could go into detail the reason behind the way that I lay out certain things on each one of these bonus pages. I could also walk you through how inside of Groove Pages, I'm able to simply click and duplicate or clone a page based upon a page that I know works, that I've found success with when I'm delivering my bonuses here inside of Groove. So click the link in the description. It'll take you over to this 100% free training giveaway where you can download the secret affiliate marketing report that has 7 powerful tips, and they're all 100% free. To include the tip that I just covered here, affiliate tip number 3, using unique bonuses, and the way to think about and the way to understand who and what your list is interested in and how to give them the best custom bonus that you can give them, and use that to your advantage to generate more commissions. Link in the description. Pick up this free report, 100% free. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.